How to put background music in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the CapCut application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply what you need to do is tap on the option of new project that pops up as a home screen on CapCut application. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device over here, and as you do that, simply tap on the new project option. Now when you tap on new project, it will give this access, or it will show you the list of projects that you want to probably edit or put different edits on. So select on new project over here, and as you select on the new project option, it will land you to the gallery or the files option. So select on the project that you want to put the background music on. So I'm going to select on this one, which is a random one over here, and then tap on add. As I tap on add over here, it will take us to a new page over here. So simply what you need to do over here is tap on the video where you would want to edit. So just tap on this project template, and then as you tap on it, here you can see different options. So what you need to do is simply tap on audio option. As you tap on audio option, you can select sounds, or you can just tap text to audio, or you can even have a voiceover. So I'm going to add a sound over here. So simply tap on sound, and then you can select any of the songs that you would like. So I'm going to select a very random one over here. So as you do that, simply you need to do is add over here, and that's how you can put background music in CapCut. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.